part of Indian Creek Nature Center near Rensler Falls, New York. Horseflies are pretty bad. So in here you can just sit and watch birds, ducks, whatever. Yeah, a lot of horseflies. Here's the trail, trees knocked down. Supposed to be a geocache out here, but I'm not going through all these trees. Here's the little path, takes you back to the road. Trees down, a little pond, swamp, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, horseflies are bad. So we're heading back home anyways. I'm sick of getting bit up. Yeah, here we go again, getting attacked. Ah. You swat at the thing, you squish it, and it continues to go at you. That makes no sense. But it's almost the road. There, dead. The thing is. Parking area. That way you can go to Rensler Falls. This way, if you keep going, you can get to the Camp Governor Road. Over and on to the next one.